Hello everybody, straight from Brazil. I'm here with my niece, Maria Thereza. Say hi, Maria Thereza.
Hi.
Okay, we are here gonna cook today a nice and really good health muffin. Yes, we're gonna do a nice muffin today for you. You can have that on your breakfast, just for a snack or a little treat for yourself. Right, you ready to do, Maria Thereza? Okay, so Maria Thereza, so what are you gonna do there? O que a gente vai fazer aqui, Maria Thereza? Como é que funciona?
A gente vai começar batendo 4 bananas bem maduras no liquidificador.
So you're gonna do 4 bananas. 4 bananas we're gonna mix, we're gonna blend that, okay? So what else you have in the recipes there, Maria Thereza? So you're gonna put banana, what else you gonna do? O que mais você vai colocar aí na
Daí eu vou colocar mais 2 ovos.
4 bananas, 2 eggs, and?
Uma xícara de farinha de aveia ou de aveia.
Flour. So we're gonna use flour. So the flour we're gonna use today, it's oats flour, or just oats. A cup of oats. Or what else gonna do, Maria Thereza? O que mais nós vamos fazer aqui? No
Daí
muffin.
a gente vai bater no liquidificador as bananas.
We're doing more muffins here. Usually, I'll use ovs. Excellent. So usually 4 eggs, 4 bananas, 2 eggs does the job. But we're gonna do a big here because we're a lot of people here today in the house. So we're gonna do more than one recipe. So muffin on the way, Maria Thereza from Brazil. Nice and healthy snack for you, or even breakfast, or even post-training. So we're gonna blend the banana, we're gonna blend the eggs together. Now, é isso aí, Maria Thereza. Tá. Aqui, so show you here, we use the flours, oat flour. Nice. She's gonna blending all the stuff. Boa, Maria Thereza. Maria Thereza, para um pouquinho. Vai. Just antes de nós voltarmos aqui, então, o que você faz depois que você bater tudo, misturar tudo? O que você faz? What do you do after you blend all together?
Eu bato tudo, daí eu coloco no pote e misturo os secos. A farinha de aveia e, se quiser, colocar um complemento, nozes, castanha.
So she's gonna take everything from the blend, you're gonna mix in the bowl. And you can put some Brazil nuts as well, or any type of nuts. Okay. Once you do that, once you put in the bowl, on the pot there. So what else you gonna do then? E o que mais você vai fazer depois disso? Termina aqui, explica pra nós aqui, Maria Thereza.
Daí a gente vai pegar, colocar na forma de bolo.
Okay.
E colocar no forno.
Then she's gonna put in the oven. She's gonna have a nice shape of muffins, né? Fazer no muffin. É isso? Isso, então tá.
Daí a gente vai colocar aproximadamente 35 a 40 minutos no forno.
35 to 40 minutes in the oven, and then that's it, be ready. Okay, so you do that, we go back later again once it's finished. Alright, let's do it. Go ahead, Maria Thereza, vai, faz aí, vambora, vai. Ah, moleque! Cadê, mano? Best chef no Brasil. Lá tem a melhor comida do Brasil, comida super saudável, fit food. Going straight to the oven. Our muffins on the way. Can't wait for that. Here you go, another one, more. Hey, I caught you, man. Tudo tranquilo, Maria Thereza? Quanto tempo agora?
35 a 40 minutos.
35, 45 minutes. A temperatura, qual é a temperatura aí que você está colocando aí, mais ou menos?
170 graus.
170 degrees. Okay, excellent. Woohoo! We just finished here the muffin. You can see that, look tasty, look nice, and you can take whatever you want for a snack, breakfast, or even after training. That'll be the best way. Thanks, Maria Thereza, for the muffin. It was great. So let's go. You ready to eat, Juninho? Yeah, tá pronto para comer? Sim ou não? Então tá bom.
Sim.
Obrigado, TT. Então tchau pra galera.
Tchau.
See you later. Bye.
Bye. Bye.